The European Union stepped in and, of course, armed with numbers, they estimated that a single charger could save customers a whopping 250 million euros. Damn! That's a lot of money to buy a small country. Or maybe just a fancy charger factory, huh? So because of this, because of the pressure of the European Union, Apple unveiled their new babies. Oh boy. The iPhone 15, iPhone 15 Plus, the iPhone 15 Pro, and the iPhone 15 Pro Max. And of course, to feature a different type of charging port, the USB Type-C port.